Gamers, are you ready to take your gaming to the next level? Today, we're counting down the top for wireless game controllers that will completely transform your gaming experience. Whether you play on Nintendo Switch, PC, TV, or your mobile device, we've got you covered. So sit tight, and let's start. Coming in at number 4 is the D3 Wireless Stretchable Game Controller. This one is perfect for mobile gamers, supporting Android and iOS devices with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. It's stretchable, meaning you can fit it perfectly to your phone, and it's lightweight so your hands won't get tired during long sessions. Games like PUBG, COD Mobile, and other emulators become way more enjoyable with precise controls and easy triggers. If you're looking for a portable controller that you can take anywhere, this is the one to consider. Number 3 goes to the EasySMX X20 Joypad, designed for Nintendo Switch and old models. This controller comes with gyroscope support, Amiibo functionality, and Hall effect joysticks for precise and drift-free gameplay. Whether you're catching Pokémon, battling in Smash Bros., or racing in Mario Kart, this controller gives you a professional feel at a budget-friendly price. Extra perks, responsive triggers, and buttons. Ergonomic design for long gaming sessions, reliable Bluetooth connection. Sliding into number 2, we have the NYXI Hyperion Pro wireless controller. This one is all about style and performance. It comes in a sleek white design with RGB lights that shine while you play. But it's not just about looks, it features Hall effect joysticks and responsive triggers for smooth, precise gameplay. If you are a serious Nintendo Switch gamer, this controller is a must-have. The wireless freedom allows you to play comfortably anywhere while maintaining pro-level control. Finally, the top spot goes to the EasySMX X20 Wireless Gamepad, the ultimate multi-platform controller. Whether you're gaming on PC, Nintendo Switch, TV, laptop, or even mobile devices, this controller has you covered. It features Hall micro triggers, RGB effects, and incredibly responsive joysticks. This controller combines durability, comfort, and versatility in one sleek package. Why it's number 1, multi-platform compatibility. Hall micro triggers for precise shooting or racing. Vibrant RGB lighting for the ultimate gamer setup. Smooth, lag-free wireless connection, ergonomic design for hours of gameplay. So there you have it, the top for wireless game controllers for every type of gamer, whether you're on Switch, PC, or mobile. Links to all these controllers are in the comment below.